Hello, hello, hello. What ho! Welcome back to another exciting adventure of The Plain Truth. I'm your host, Travis Finlay. I'm going to try to go through a quick primer with some talking points on. I don't even know. This is unscripted. Unscripted. So let's just go. Let's just get to it, alright? Let's put this right here. I'm just going to talk through this. I have no idea. I put this together a while ago for another presentation, and I just never got around to finishing it, okay? So, once again, talking about aquabands. Aquabands are different distances of aquatic surface that move into the distance, okay? So right here we have one solid band. We don't have different bands as we have in the past. So right now this is an aqua band. Trying to think about, let's just look right here real quick. This sky is being mirrored here. Okay, this is approximately where the fold line is going to be, right here in the middle of this. Right, this thing is so stupid and flighty. It won't let me get right in the middle, like right there. Okay, so if I was able to go all the way across without jumping up and down like it does, because it doesn't stay straight, right? That's the fold line for the mirage. Okay, so you can see the sky mirrored. You can see the sky mirrored all along right here. Okay, that's the Aetherband. Okay, now again, this whole view is the Aetherband, right? Because the Aether refers to the medium through which we are looking. Band refers to the field, the either the narrow field or the broad field of view. So right here we're looking at a narrow field of view, just right here. Okay, this is all mirrored. So you got this tree, these two trees here are markers, as they're going to be mirrored down here behind the N and the D. All right, this circle right here shows you some tree lines that are coming out from this cape here. This arrow designates the fact that this water is continuing into the distance until it hits land. It's behind the mirage here. This water, this horizon here is not physical. This horizon is not the demarcation of where the curve begins. That is not curvature. We know this because water lies level. If there were someone over here 12 miles away on this beach and I was standing on my beach with our toes in the sand, we would be horizontal, straight across. The tangent line, if it was my clone, it would be nose to nose. Okay? Right here, this arrow is showing the fact that this top is mirrored down here. Cut this in half, and you have crack a smurf. Cut this in half and you have cut this in half and you have your vanishing line. Okay? Another example of the same shot. Okay, now we have two aqua bands. Okay, two different tones of water. Okay, let's go back to the other one and just kind of see, kind of look for like your first, like I want you to think about, what do you notice first about the difference between the water in these two shots? Okay. Just keep that in mind. Just think about it. It's just, you're just making observations, right? Okay, so this water is moving into the distance. That's what these arrows represent. Level, 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 level. Here's water. You can't see it. There's the vanishing line. Okay? This is the Aetherband. We've got a more dramatic inferior mirage going on here. You've got the sky mirrored right here, a longer band of mirrored sky. There's the circle with the same cape, right? Let's go back. Let's go back and look at that real quick. Okay, just take note. Just take note. I know that there's a different. I would have to. Let's do that. I'm just going to go look and see if those are the same focal length, because if they are, that is part of my 250, 268, and 250. Okay, so it's not that far off, and this is 268 millimeter. This is 250 millimeter. Now, part of my explanation is that the Aetherband proportionally distorts everything. The water, the sky, the land masses, everything gets shifted. And I have ample proof of that happening. Okay? All right, so right here we have a it's a vanishing line, because it's the beginning of this mirage, and then this one up here is higher. No, that's not. Yeah. Because this is 6 miles away, this is 9 to 10 miles away, this is 12 miles away. So even right here, you have a vanishing line that's higher than this vanishing line. Okay, but again, this horizon is not physical. It's not physical. Okay.